Hey friends, hey fam, what's poppin'? I hope you guys are doing so super well today, staying hydrated, checking in with your friends, your family, your heart, and your mind above all things. My name is Janae and I typically post home decor and lifestyle videos right here on the tube. And today, we doing all of that. We doing all of that. We doing home decor and lifestyle because Christmas is right around the corner and we have not one lick of holiday decorations in this house. So we're gonna make that happen, let's hope. Because we also have a really busy day work-wise. By we, I mean Shelby, my confidant, my bestie, also my roommate, and my coworker. So we, at this point, do everything together except for date, which a lot of you seem to want to happen, but it's not. We out here waiting on men and they ain't coming. They nowhere to be found. We are gonna do some work stuff today and just bring you guys along for the ride and find a Christmas tree, decorate, maybe bake some Christmas cookies. We shall see. Also, I got new hair. Let me know down below what you think. It's the same hairstyle I always do. I also wanted to give a major shout out to the luggage I invested in probably about 3 months ago. I know it's 2020 and no one's going anywhere, but y'all, my luggage was literally from 7th grade. I think it was by Jockey and it had polka dots all over it and I have had it. I'm 28, I've had it since I was in 7th grade. It was time. It was time for an upgrade. So I invested in luggage for the first time and I got it from Bayes. I don't really know how to pronounce it. If you've heard of the actress Shay Mitchell, it is her line. Anyway, so this is her little carry-on, which I've gotten to use only once and I loved it. Lightweight, love the color, those 360 wheels, but here's where she was showing off. This is her like large checked luggage, which is what I used for the holiday. And I absolutely love how much space it has. And it's the hard shell kind. This side even goes really, really deep. I don't really know what else people look for in luggage. I just wanted something functional and cute. But I will definitely keep you guys posted over time because I feel like this is something that you can only give a good review over time, but I've only used it once and for this one trip it was bomb. This is what the best part was. It came, or maybe I paid extra, I can't remember, but she had these plastic luggage covers. This is not doing it any justice, but it goes around your suitcase and then protects it from any damage while you're traveling, you know? Cause you know, they be tossing that around. And then I also got her this like makeup tote thing. And I like it because it has sections, so I was able to keep all my makeup products up top. And then at the bottom is where all my brushes are, so they're not getting everything super dirty. And then there's also, I got this divider, which you can't see what it does right now, but I was able to keep all of my skincare in here and it folds up into a nice little box. I think those are all the updates and we can actually go get a Christmas tree. Or should we go say hi to Shelby first? I busted in here and Shelby was doing work at her office.
You should see my boss, dude. She's
perfect in every way.
Mm-hmm.
Don't most people get their bosses like a nice gift at Christmas?
Am I gonna get a holiday bonus?
All right.
If you want a gift, you gotta get a bonus.
I don't know if it works like that.
Pretty sure it does.
I don't know if it works like that. You know, it could be an extra gift on top of my friendship gift.
We haven't exchanged friendship gifts.
We don't.
We don't give each other
It is not our love language in any way.
That's why we spend every waking moment together, because that's our love language.
It has probably been over an hour since I said, we're gonna go get the Christmas tree. And we haven't even made it out of the house. But we did, by we, I mean Shelby was ever so helpful. We managed to get a lot of the decor we did have all set up. So that way when we're ready this evening, it's not a whole hot mess. Look how cute. These are from Target and I will be sure to do a little haul as well about the items we got later. But for now, we're gonna go try and find a tree. We've got all these other things set up. We shall see. Hi.
We're gonna see about it.
We gonna see. Also, please pray. We both have headaches and the day is not even fully halfway through. But we are making snacks to go. We're trying really hard not to skip eating because that just never works out for anyone. So anyway, we're packing snacks and we're finally leaving. Okay, we are working on a little surprise for you guys that we will be sharing soon and we cannot wait. I know it's so annoying when people do this. I actually hate when people say they have something to share and then they can't say anything. Honestly, just wait till you can say something. I should take my own advice, but I didn't. Anyway, we had to take care of some things with the little surprise and now we're finally going to Lowe's. It's literally 3:30 and we're gonna pick up some lunch first. Late lunch life. LLL.
LLL.
It's late lunch life. We finally made it to Lowe's. It was interesting getting here, but we did make it. This Lowe's is underground. I don't even know how many wrong turns we made and U-turns we made, but we're here. And now we're gonna eat our sweet green in the car because we are so hungry. I got the Harvest Bowl. And you got what now?
Autumn Caesar.
Autumn Caesar. We're very of the seasons. Are you? Didn't think so. Because you're lame. Bye.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, outside. It's cold outside.
All right, we got it home. We got it. Now we're going to bring it inside. We went with a real tree because fake trees cost an arm and a leg. Well, you know you're getting old when you start saying arm and a leg.
Arm and a leg.
That's, oh, it's not that bad. If I slide
Nice. Very good.
that. Okay, Shelby's gonna cut the tree. Oh, this is gonna take a minute.
Might take a second, so keep talking.
I thought this was gonna be a monumental moment for you guys. We're gonna pray that this actually fits. We moved our furniture over out of the way, hoping that we can make this work. Wow, she is cute, but work. I don't know, y'all. Next time you see us, the tree might be on top of the kitchen table. I mean, the dining room table. That might be our next effort.
We'll try it.
We'll try anything. Okay, we'll see in a little bit. So the decorate with us has now become a disaster with us. That's dramatic. It's not a disaster. But we were gonna make cookies and put on some Christmas music. We could still do those things. No, we can't. We can't make cookies because we don't have any cookie mix. We didn't buy any of that. And we're not making them from scratch. There's no time. It's already 7 o'clock. Change of plans. Superhero Sarah came to the rescue and she's gonna become a baking queen. So she already has her flour ready, her wets. We're using that vanilla paste. Do not use vanilla extract. Try and use vanilla paste. But it is a splurge, you've been warned. And then look at this. Got our baking mat set up, her rolling pin, and our cookie cutters. And you know, the tree may not look its absolute best, but we are going to change that.
But you just wait until it's decorated with the lights.
Just wait. So we're gonna try and decorate all of this. And we're just gonna have it next time you see us.
Transition.
We almost gave up on tonight. We really considered not decorating or doing any of this, but we're making money moves. Shelby and I have on jammies, and we're gonna turn this into magic.
doesn't matter if the snow.
Look at this progress. Superhero Sarah. Dough. She used the internet, and look, these are made from scratch. That thickness. Butter. Get it, girl. Mama, this looks so pretty. Oh, is that?
We need an extension cord.
You can do it. Yay! Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay, so we just plugged in the Christmas lights we bought, and I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but they are very high school cafeteria style, fluorescent.
It says indoor outdoor lights, but this just seems very outdoor energy.
Yeah, big
bright.
outdoor energy. It's very bright, but we're gonna put them on, see how we feel.
The sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do.
So there is something we forgot about.
Hey guys.
Two things. First of all, we forgot you need ornaments on a tree and just didn't buy any. The ones we do have, which is just,
So great. We found some. That's so awesome.
and it's only 5, but we only bought those for a photo shoot. We did not buy them for this tree. But we were like, oh, but we can use those. We can just put 5 ornaments on this tree.
But we don't have any hooks
No hooks.
for ornaments.
You have to hook them on with something. Maybe we could use paper clips.
Actually,
Use them as a hook.
yeah. We only need 5.
Sarah finished baking cookies and we are about to decorate. Yay. So cute. And all of our little decor is up. The tree that is blinding. We're just gonna go with it. Next year we'll get warm lights because there's just no energy for that. But we have our cute little warm candles over there that are super cozy. And we bought easy icing that's good for toddlers, so we don't have to try and figure out how to make our own. Life is great. We are going to wrap up this vlog with us decorating some cookies, drinking some hot chocolate, and yeah, let me know if you guys have already decorated or if you decorate the last minute or if you don't decorate at all. Want to know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You already know who you are. You know what you is. You the best. You the baddest. And we love you guys so, so much. We'll see you in the next video. You ain't nothing but a bad bitch. Ay, you ain't nothing but a bad bitch. Ay.